Hybrid SUVs are going head-to-head this year, and the one sitting at the top of the list is hitting 42 miles per gallon combined from an all-wheel drive SUV. If you're tired of watching your fuel budget disappear every week while your current SUV barely squeezes out 25 miles per gallon, these 9 models are going to change the way you think about what's possible. Most people assume hybrid SUVs mean compromises, a small engine, a cramped interior, or a stripped-down feature list, but every single model on this list is proving that assumption completely wrong. Number 9. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. For anyone who's found compact SUVs just a little too cramped, the Santa Fe Hybrid is worth a serious look. It's sitting at approximately 34 miles per gallon combined, which is strong efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Think about what that means on a long family road trip. Instead of stopping every 250 miles, you're stretching that to 350 or beyond. Hyundai's redesigned cabin leans into a boxier shape, paying off directly in cargo room and rear seat space. Materials feel upscale, the technology is current, and the overall experience sits well above what the price tag suggests. 34 combined miles per gallon in a vehicle this roomy translates to real, measurable savings over the life of ownership. Hyundai's warranty coverage is among the strongest in the industry, and for a buyer planning to hold onto a vehicle for years, that matters just as much as the MPG number. The Santa Fe sets a solid floor for this list, but the next model is already adding a full row of seating without giving much back at the pump. Number 8. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid has been a fixture in the 3-row family SUV space for years, and it continues to make a strong case around 35 miles per gallon combined from a vehicle that seats a full family. Toyota's hybrid system here has earned a reputation for smooth, low-maintenance operation. The cabin is quiet, the ride is composed, and the third row works well for children or occasional adult passengers. It's not as large as the Grand Highlander, which makes it easier to navigate tighter urban environments. Parking garages, school drop-off lanes, and busy lots all become considerably less stressful. Anyone who's dealt with an unexpected repair bill on a high-mileage vehicle understands the value of a proven powertrain. The Highlander Hybrid's track record for long-term reliability is difficult to argue with. That's a genuine asset, but the next model is bringing something the Highlander never had, and it's turning heads in the 3-row segment. Number 7. Kia Telluride Hybrid. The Kia Telluride Hybrid is arriving as one of the most anticipated new hybrid entries in this year's market, expected to deliver around 35 miles per gallon combined. Given what the Telluride already offers as a gasoline model, that's a genuinely compelling development. The Telluride has built its reputation on a near-luxury cabin experience at a mainstream price with 3 rows, high-quality materials, and a long list of standard features. The hybrid version carries all of that forward while addressing the one area where large SUVs have always struggled: the fuel bill. For families who've wanted the Telluride but hesitated over running costs, the hybrid removes that hesitation entirely. Long-term reliability data is still accumulating, though Kia's recent quality improvements are well documented and the Telluride platform is already proven. It's shaping up to be one of the most interesting 3-row options this year, but the next model squeezes more efficiency out of a smaller package without asking buyers to sacrifice anything meaningful inside. Number 6. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Tucson Hybrid is delivering between 35 and 38 miles per gallon combined, depending on configuration, and the upper end puts it in territory that rivals vehicles far smaller than this. Here's what that efficiency gap actually feels like. A driver putting 15,000 miles a year on a 25 miles per gallon gasoline SUV is spending significantly more at the pump than a Tucson Hybrid owner. Over 5 years, that difference can reach several $1,000s, money that stays in your pocket. Large digital displays, a modern cabin, and rear seat room that genuinely impresses for the class round out a very strong package. Hyundai's warranty remains a real differentiator, and the hybrid system's reliability has improved meaningfully over recent model cycles. The Tucson Hybrid is one of this year's sharpest propositions, though if 3 rows are non-negotiable and efficiency is still the priority, the next model is making a case that's very hard to ignore. Number 5. Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Around 36 miles per gallon combined from a large 3-row SUV. Not long ago, fuel economy like that from a vehicle this size simply wasn't on the table. Third-row space is genuinely usable for teenagers and adults. Cargo capacity is generous, and the overall cabin feels expansive. For families who've had to leave someone behind or strap luggage to the roof because the SUV simply ran out of room, this is the answer. A quiet, refined ride makes long journeys considerably more comfortable than budget-oriented alternatives in the 3-row space. choice. Buyers have historically had to choose between space and fuel economy. The Grand Highlander Hybrid refuses that trade-off. The next model brings that same no-compromise thinking to a more compact footprint, and it's been doing it longer than almost anyone else in this segment. Number 4. Honda CR-V Hybrid. The CR-V Hybrid is continuing its run this year with around 37 miles per gallon combined, exceptional efficiency for a compact SUV that also excels in nearly every category daily drivers care about. For anyone spending most of their commute in stop-and-go traffic, Honda's hybrid system is worth understanding. It's been engineered to maximize electric assist at lower speeds, where most of the real-world fuel savings actually happen. That morning commute that used to drain the tank is now turning more of that energy back into range instead of heat. Cargo space ranks among the best in the compact hybrid segment. The second row is genuinely comfortable, and Honda's engineering reputation and strong resale value make this one of the most complete packages available this year. The next model adds a layer of interior refinement that's been catching serious attention, and the fuel economy number climbs even higher. Number 3. Kia Sportage Hybrid. The Sportage Hybrid is making a strong argument that Toyota doesn't have a monopoly on excellent hybrid SUVs. Fuel economy is reaching approximately 38 miles per gallon combined, right at the top of the efficiency charts for this class. Large displays, premium-feeling materials, and a cabin that genuinely feels larger than the vehicle's exterior dimensions suggest. Rear seat legroom in particular stands out. For buyers frustrated by compact SUVs that feel cramped despite their promises, the Sportage Hybrid is a direct answer. Warranty coverage has long been a Kia advantage, and the Sportage Hybrid benefits from that fully. Near-top efficiency, a genuinely impressive cabin, and strong value make it one of this year's most complete hybrid arguments. But the top two models are about to show why Toyota's hybrid reputation didn't build itself overnight. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The RAV4 Hybrid has earned its status, around 39 miles per gallon combined, broad everyday capability, and a reliability record built over years of real-world ownership. This is a vehicle that consistently delivers on its promises. Real-world fuel economy tends to track closely with the EPA estimates, which isn't always the case in this segment. All-wheel drive is available, the ride is tuned for comfort, and the cargo area is generous. Many owners are clearing 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal powertrain issues, and resale values reflect that confidence directly. In a market full of intriguing competitors, the RAV4 Hybrid remains the benchmark, not because it's the flashiest option, but because it keeps being one of the most honest ones. At 39 combined miles per gallon, it's already extraordinary, but the number 1 model is doing something this one can't quite match, and the gap at the pump is going to surprise you. Number 1. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. 42 miles per gallon combined from a capable all-wheel drive SUV. That figure sits at the very top of this list, and it belongs there. The footprint is smaller than most models on this list, but the interior delivers practical space for daily use and smaller family needs. Available all-wheel drive adds genuine confidence in rain and snow. The Corolla Cross Hybrid isn't chasing the biggest or most powerful title this year. It's delivering the best efficiency, the lowest running costs, and long-term dependability in a single, sensibly sized package. For a growing number of buyers, those turn out to be exactly the right priorities. 9 hybrid SUVs, 9 compelling reasons to leave the gas pump behind. From the Santa Fe Hybrid's spacious interior at 34 miles per gallon, all the way up to the Corolla Cross Hybrid's class-leading 42 combined. This year's hybrid SUV market is delivering efficiency, reliability, and real-world practicality at a level that simply wasn't possible a few years ago. Whether a 3-row family hauler like the Grand Highlander or Telluride Hybrid fits the bill, or a sharp compact like the Sportage or CR-V Hybrid makes more sense for daily use, there's a model on this list that's going to cut your fuel costs and keep cutting them for years to come. The days of choosing between a capable SUV and a reasonable fuel bill are over, and these 9 vehicles are the proof. Of course, most of you are probably interested in this year's Toyota RAV4. The world's most popular crossover has just received a full redesign, and if you want to check it out closely, make sure to take a look at our video about the new model. New look, new tech features, and upgraded hybrid powertrains make it even more appealing than before.